Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to turn on or turn off silent mode in all iPhone 17 models. So let's get started. So the first one is all about, as you can see, we have a button over here at the top. You can see this is a button over here at the top above the volume buttons, and what you need to do is, if you wanted to make your phone in a silent mode, you just need to go over here and you have to press and hold this particular button over here like this. And right now, as you can see, this is in the silent mode right now. If you want to turn it off again back, you just need to press and hold like this once again. Right now it is turned off the silent mode. And we have one more method that's all about. You can just go over here at the top, and over here what you need to just, you can see this is silent right now. And if I tap on the bell icon over here right now, this is not silent in, which means turn off silent mode. And that's what it is, and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos. That's it, bye.